So it start, okay, so it is showing the first room, the second room. Pretty amazing, isn't it? You can add multiple AI features to it. It will start adding it using their own API, obviously. Is the video analysis. So this is something huge. Teacher is teaching about a math problem, but it couldn't start doing frame by frame. Google dropped a bomb with Gemini 3 model family, and they have not only introduced the Gemini 3 family, they have also launched their own agent IDE, which rivals Windsurf and Cursor. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can use Gemini 3's multi-model capabilities to create apps, analyze your videos, and much more. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do hit that subscribe button to learn more about the latest developments in AI. Performance benchmarks. Humanity's last exam is the hardest benchmarks to crack, and Gemini 3 Pro with the tool scores 45.8%, which is actually very huge. And if you compare to the other model, they are way behind. So if you go to the capabilities here, they have this generative UI thing added to the Gemini 3 that can visualize anything. So we are going to explore that part in this video. So first, let's go to the Gemini google.com, and here you have two models replacing the old model. First is the fast and second is the thinking. So first we will be selecting the thinking, and in the first prompt I have this research paper from the team BHP, which is about the comparison of electric cars and combustion engine cars. To visualize this, you need a canvas to select it. I have this prompt ready here. I want to learn about the electric car, the 3D interactive website. So let's see the output of this. And there you go. It has built a 3D visualizer that tells about the life cycle of electric cars and gasoline emissions. It has also added this drop down which we can select from different areas. So let's see about the United States. The life cycle is pretty much same here, so we can easily browse here like that. If I see from China, the life cycle of electric cars is pretty much higher than other countries. And if you mouse over to the towers here, for example the electric one, it will show you the emission is 165 gram of CO2, and there's a 260 gram of CO2, which is bad for the environment. And if you go to India's electric vehicles life cycle is also very huge comparative to gasoline. So if you want to visualize your research paper, you can easily type your prompt and it will give you a clean 3D visualizer. So this is one thing you can do. And the second is the video analysis. So this is something huge and which sets apart from the other models like GPT and the Claude. So here I have this particular video where teacher is teaching about a math problem, but it couldn't solve it due to some reason. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this prompt, which is analyze the video, show me exactly where teacher messed up and provide solution as well. So let's put that and let Gemini 3 do the talking, and it has started analysis my video, so extracting the clips content. And if you see the thinking here, so it start doing frame by frame. So this is something huge in AI development, because if you want to analyze any video, you can easily do that with the help of this. Any lecture you want, any part of the way you want to learn using the video, you can easily do that with the help of Gemini. And the thinking is going here based on the video. Here's the breakdown of exactly where the teacher went wrong and correct step-by-step mathematical solution. Teacher confuses the stems from the strategic error followed by a calculate panic. This is where the teacher messed up, the strategic error, which also gives the timeline here. So you can easily spot the errors, correct that accordingly. You can analyze any cinematic video for the color correction or something. It will give you a right way tutorial how to fix that as well. So this is about the video analysis which I want you to know. And next is the development of the floor plan. For example, I want to buy a house that has a floor plan. Every house has the floor plan available state consultant. So here I have this floor plan. Let me open that. So this is the 3-bedroom floor plan, and it shows everything about the house I want to buy. So what I'm going to do is Gemini to visualize this floor plan for me. So I will just attach this particular plan image and type this particular prompt and enable the canvas. So it says the floor plan of my, can you build interactive website to illustrate the floor plan like that? And let me just press enter and wait for the output here. Okay, so here's done, and we have this 3 options available here, which is the start guided tour or dark mode. Let's see if dark mode is buggy. Yeah, it's working. So when you mouse over to the individual rooms like that, it's actually really great. If I click on the start guided tour, so it start, okay, so it is showing the first room, the second room. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Next room, and if you mouse over, it will show you which room is it. So now the top view, that's great to be honest. And let me drag this. So I just love the way it lay out the plan for me, and it's pretty close to what I provide in the screenshot. And there's a top down view, so you can view it from the top. And let's see the day mode. Yeah, everything is working just fine. So this is great way of visualize the house you are going to buy with the help of Gemini 3 Pro. Okay, moving forward to the AI Studio here, they have also implemented the AI Studio here. They have this new option called Vibe Code Gen Apps. So here what what I'm going to build with the Gemini 3 is an app for kids that read stories aloud and generate new illustration for every page here. So model I'm going to use is Gemini 3 Pro, and you can simply add the system instruction, which I don't want to add anything here. So there's a React JavaScript and there is a microphone selector which you can easily go ahead and so let's click on build. So it built the prototypes here. So let's just wait for it to finish. Just created a prototype on the right. It's a Magic Storybook and nothing is working yet. So they have added this suggestions box. So here is the AI features I want to add. So you can add multiple AI features to it. It will start adding it using their own API obviously. So I want to add a nano banana powered app, and I also want to generate images with the prompt obviously if it's going to create an illustration of every page. So there you go. There's also control images with the aspect ratios. Let's see how it's going to perform. I will just point that here, add the AI features, click on this, and it will start adding that for me. Let's just wait for it to finish. So let's start with the preset here, for example a space adventure. So now it start writing a wonderful story. Let's wait for the rest of. So the animation is cool, even the process is, for example, illustrating a page 1 of 4, and let's see what it holds for us. Okay, so we have got our first one. Let's see if it can speak aloud.
Leo loved looking at the stars. I wish I could fly to space, he'd say.
It's actually reading it with the emotions here, just for the kids. It's to the left. If you want to add AI features to animate images with VO, it can also do that. It will be way better than what we expect here. If I click on
Leo
next,
peeked inside. Hello.
it's very interconnected with the first part and the second part, and that's all here. So this is pretty cool. If I go to the next, I can even chat with it. For example,
Soon it was time to go.
the feature is in beta anyway. So this is the book, you can see,
Leo peeked inside.
and with more iteration you can simply add more features to it. And they have also a suggestion box which enable you to add more features. For example, add story length option, enhance live chat, and add voice selection. If you go on and on, it be a way better prototype. The prototype itself is really good and exceeded my expectation. This is about creating an app with Gemini 3. Last but not the least is visualize planning. So they have this generative UI thing added to the Gemini 3 Pro that can help you generate UI for any prompt you want, for example planning. So for this I have this prompt for create a fun to help me plan my wedding event, which is Punjab Indian Sikh wedding style in the New York US, including all rituals, party planning, cost estimation, venues, dress, budgeting, clean and playful interface. I have selected the 3 Pro here. Let me select the canvas and let's see if it can actually do that. So this is the first time I'm doing something like this. Let's just wait for the output. Here it is. It has my traditional greetings as Shri Akal, and there is let's plan the ultimate this. Okay, so first thing is planning process. Next up, book the whole player 3% ready. Anyway, let's go to the budgeting here. Budgeting is total estimate total for the adjuster is about $100K. If I want to add lower guest count, for example I just want 100 people. For the 100 people it's even lower, for example 95,000. Catering, food and bar is about $12,000. There's a venue about this for $40,000, so I can simply add this. So this is the cool part. It has the add Gemini features here. So what it will do is it will add the Gemini features to it that you easily research the venues for each and every scenarios here. So I would like to add Gemini features to it. I will introduce a new AI on tab. Here are the Gemini power. Sunsist, Future Menu Chef, this is an updated app. This is the speech writer, there's an explainer. Here I can iterate with it to add a searchable venues for me, searchable photo and video professional for me, DJ professional for me. I can simply add that so that it can research real time and suggest the possible candidate for my wedding. So this is about the Gemini 3 model which we have discussed until now. So this is about Gemini 3 capabilities inside Gemini app. They have introduced the Google Anti-Gravity IDE which rivals the Winds of Edge, which is the AI agent coding platform. So I'm going to cover that in the next video. And not only this, so Gemini changed their prompting advice for Gemini 3. So they have the structured and non-structured way of prompting it. So for that part, I'm also going to cover a new video about this. So for these 2 videos, you need to subscribe to this channel. Also check out promptslab.com to get access to AI profit system. So do check that out as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.